Hello, this is Carol. After a series of production and testing, our finished products come out. Can they get into the market like this? Of course not. We still need to package it. Okay, now please follow me to see how we dress our products.
First of all, preparing all packing materials and accessories in the line. Next, put the device and accessory into the inner box. And the inspector is checking if it is a complete set of product. Then put the whole color box into a disposable bag and proceed to laminating film by the small plastic machine. This process will be made as the clients required. Additionally, put the final packing box into a master carton. The packing quantities will be confirmed according to each product. Finally, the master carton will be sealed by the packing machine and lay down the pallets. When all devices finish the packing process, will be stored to our warehouse and waiting for the delivery.